Meet the Lomanco Lo-OmniRoll Model LOR30 low-profile shingle-over ridge vent. The Lo-OmniRoll is designed to be installed at your roof's peak and covered with cap shingles for a low-profile blended appearance. The LOR30 is made from a custom-blended, heavy-weight, UV-resistant polypropylene material and features a lifetime limited warranty, a compact, easy-to-handle 30-foot roll, a net-free area of 11 square inches per foot, fits roof pitches between 212 and 1612, molded center lines, cut lines and shingle nail lines for easier installation. A patented molded fan fold end plug at every foot allows the LOR30 to be cut at 1 foot intervals, supported nail holes, weep channels to prevent water accumulation, and 2 coils of 1 3/4 inch nails included. Contains no fibrous or fabric mesh to restrict airflow or clog. The Lo-OmniRoll Model LOR30 has Miami-Dade and Texas Department of Insurance approvals, along with other certifications and compliances. One of the most unique features of the LOR30 is the baffle system, allowing maximum exhaust while maintaining maximum weather protection, the Lomanco Balance. External convolute baffles force wind over the top of the vent, creating a negative air pressure area on top of the louvers to draw out heat and moisture. Omni baffles are arranged perpendicular to the convolute baffles, ensuring the LOR30 operates effectively regardless of wind direction. And aerodynamically and curved internal baffles ensure that heat and moisture have an unrestricted avenue of escape. If design, function, and aesthetics matter to you, try the Lo-OmniRoll Model LOR30, made only by Lomanco.